You got it.
Pulling up to that ramp, you would ask me like, am I like paranoid or whatever? That's because I was blocked. As soon as the P1 moved out of the way and I saw the height of this ramp, this truck is gonna launch so high.
I know. That's gonna be sweet.
It's gonna be nuts.
So we had this idea back in May, and we've been trying to figure out a way to make it happen and find time, and it's finally here. Are you excited?
It's really hard to get someone that will let you like do it because there's so much like liability.
Legality, yeah.
And that's willing to dig up. Like these guys spent a week. These guys are total G's. White Hot Country Club let us use some of their space.
Epic Octane came out too.
Epic Octane, they came out here just
multiple times. I think 3 or 4 times he made the trip to practice this for us.
This has been a week's plus worth of labor and efforts from these guys, and they are just a bunch of G's. So mad respect to all of them. Yeah, I'm a little freaked out though.
I'm pumped.
I'm more nervous.
I am too. I'm more nervous than anything.
If he misses, like if something happens, let's say slight miss, slight off speed, he can destroy all 3 of these.
Oh yeah. Not only that, like what I'm nervous about is like the dirt coming off the top of the ramp after he jumps. It's gonna fall on the cars.
That's what PPF is for. Chicago Water Pros. Thank you.
We're gonna do a dry run because there's a lot of risk here, and see how it feels to go over the ramps without any vehicles there, and we'll see how that goes.
I'm ready for my neck to break.
Oh my gosh.
It's not that high. Come on.
Look at the height. Oh my god, dude. How many times have you jumped something like that? All right, but look at how tall that is. We're gonna.
Hold on, let me put
this truck has a lot of money into it.
I believe you. Dude, he was going fast, and then he slowed down at first. I'm like, oh my god, are we gonna bail?
Have you gone that far before on this run or no? You have already. Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god.
Damn.
That was. I don't know. That was awesome.
I could feel my body like.
That was insane. That looked so smooth.
Dude, I did not feel smooth in the back seat.
You're not scared to death?
I was.
I mean, yeah. That's why it was fun. It was scary.
So nervous.
It was awesome, dude.
You guys both didn't scream the whole time. I was like, yeah.
I don't. We're not really screamers. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, I'm not, but I.
No. Let me get this straight, Tommy. So instead of centering them out, you added more risk to the landing side of the jump.
How are you gonna get out the Ferrari door?
There's like you could have evenly spread them, but you pull like a 4 foot. You put a 4 foot gap off, so they're all close to where it lands.
Correct.
Good job, bro.
Yeah. Let's recenter.
No. I like it. No. Keep them there. Higher risk. I just want to take 10 seconds of your time to say that if you need wheels, tires, or suspension, make sure you shop at fitment.com for your car needs. And customoffsets.com for all of your truck needs. That's where I get all my wheels, tires, suspension, and perforance parts. Jumping any minute now.
You ready for this?
Because they're going. I'm totally.
Yeah, cameras are rolling. I think we're good.
I am actually really nervous about this. Look there's actually only like a foot above them. It looks like the ramps cleared them by a lot, but there's not much height over. This is the Hamilton Collection quality using rocks.
This is Gypsy.
Okay, Gypsy.
This is what we do.
This is how Gypsy does it.
Hello, my name's Gypsy. I'm like,
Ready to go?
Let's go, baby.
Shaking baby. insane!
Oh my god!
That's so scary. That was so crazy in the moment.
That was insane.
That's so scary.
My heart is beating out of my chest.
Oh my gosh.
I want to ask Boris how that felt. How was it?
How were your nerves? Were you nervous with cars under there?
No, that was awesome.
he's just even
cars.
Even keel. I love it, bro. What cars? High five. Wow, that's awesome. Amazing. All right, well, dude, thank you, Lester. That was awesome. You're shaking. Look at his hand. Yeah. He's shaking. I can see right through you.
Too much coffee.
Thank you amazingly to Epic Octane, all the people at White Hawk Country Club. And this was pretty awesome. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notifications button. Thanks, y'all.